Hello everyone, welcome to SOP Academy. So today we have two off-campus hiring notifications. The first one is from CGI. It is hiring for the role of ASE grad, that is Associate Software Engineering grad. And the second one is from Geeky Ants. Geeky Ants is hiring for the role of Software Engineer. So first let us look at the hiring notification from CGI. So the posting location is going to be Bangalore, Karnataka. It is a full-time job. The skills which are required are communication skills, oral and written, and Python programming. So if you have these two skills, then you can apply. Member should be ready to work in role which involves shifts and extended hours. The graduation required is BTech. The branches are not mentioned, so you need to just apply and see if you are eligible or not. The other thing is that to apply, you have to click on I am interested. Then this page will open, which is a careers my profile. So if you are a new applicant, you have to enter your email, your country. But if you already have an account, you have to just enter your email and password and you will be able to apply. So if you are a new user, just enter your email ID. For example, I am showing. You enter your email ID, then you have to select your country. You can search for India. Select India and click on create profile. When you click on create profile, this page will open. So on this page it is written that to get started, upload your resume. So you have to upload your resume by clicking on choose file. After you upload your resume, you have to click on file type and choose resume. After that you have to click on attach document and then save and continue. So after that you can apply for this role CGI. The second company, which is Geeky Ants, they are hiring through eLitmus platform. So those of you who are not familiar with eLitmus, it is a hiring platform in which you give your assessments and after on the basis of your PH score you are selected. So Geeky Ants is hiring for their Bangalore location with a package of 6.5 LPA. The batch is eligible is 2022 freshers. The last date to apply is going to be 5th of January 2022 and it will be an online job. So let us look at the eligibility. 2022 batch from CSIT BE BTech. You must have a good academic record and a good PS score. So PS score is eLitmus score which you get after giving assessment. Job requirements. Let us look at the skills first. Knowledge of these skills: React.js, Node.js, AWS, Vue.js or Angular.js. So any of the following skills, if you have the knowledge, then you can apply. Excellent knowledge of relational databases like SQL and ORM. Then familiarity with code versioning tools such as Git and other requirements as well. Now let us look at some details here. Candidates who get selected will be joining as interns in the month of January 2022 and you will be converted to a full-time employment after you complete first 6 months. So first 6 months will be an internship. After that you will get a full-time employment. There will be a bond of 2 years, that is 24 months. So in the first 6 months internship, you will get a stipend of 17,500 per month. And after the 6 months, upon successful completion of the internship, on the basis of your performance and available positions, the full-time compensation is going to be 6 LPA. So after 6 months, it can be converted till 6 LPA. During internship, candidates will be covered by medical insurance. So internship also you will get medical insurance. This is the CTC breakdown. As you can see, in the internship period, it is 2,10,000 annually, and after 6 months, it will be converted to 6.5 LPA. In the second year, you will get a minimum 30% hike. It is mentioned hike as per industry standards, which is minimum hike of 30%. So to apply, you have to click on login to apply and you can apply for this job. The links for both the companies are given in the description, so you can apply through there.